Changing the oil on the Yamaha VStar 250. You can see it's dripping there. Not sure exactly how much is in there, but we will measure once we pour it into another oil container. This is the bolt that we took off. It is a 17 millimeter bolt. Wrench. This is the oil that we're putting in. It's motorcycle oil, 4-stroke 10W40, and it's going to take about 1.4 to 1.6 liters if we change the oil filter, which we are going to do. Changing the oil filter with this gold Napa filter 4935. And it also has an oil ring in there. Okay, coming to the other side, which is the right side of the bike, where the oil filter is. Here's the 3 screws that are going to be coming out. And it says to use a 5 millimeter Allen wrench, so metric. So that's what I have here, 5 millimeter metric Allen wrench. Here's the oil draining, so we are pretty much empty. That's where we will fill. So I'll just go ahead and start taking this off. Best thing to do is just loosen these one at a time. Do not take them all off. Loosen them all equally. Make sure nothing is stripped. The one in the front here is the longest one. The other 2 are a little bit shorter. You can see that one's quite a bit longer. And I'm going to take this one off. And they say to be careful pulling this off because there is an O-ring on the other side. Hopefully it's not pinched.